Guys, welcome back. Today we have an LOL Surprise Spot the Difference on the Go set. And I got this at Dollar Tree and it looks really, really cool. There are 10 different cards and you use the marker and you spot the difference and you circle them. So let's go ahead and get this open. There's all the different pictures. This was $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. So let's go ahead and get this ripped open. I love LOL dolls. Let's get that out. That was super easy. And let's see what we have. So there is, oh, that is super cute. Let's go ahead and get this marker off. I'm going to use my scissors. I think you can just cut it off or pull it off. Let's see. I'm just going to cut it. There we go. It's got this cute little pink marker. Super, super cute. Does the lid come off? It's a little stuck. There's our little marker. No, it doesn't hold the cap. Okay. That's cute. And there should be 10 cards. So when we open it up, there are our 10 little cards. And inside, this is cute. I was not expecting this. We have a word search, a missing piece. I guess you can cut this out and make it like a puzzle, and a maze. That is a really awesome surprise inside. And it doesn't say anything about it on the cover. That is so cute. I can't wait to do that. And then here are our spot the differences. And you have to keep score. So let's get this open. Let's get this open. There it goes. And pull these out. Okay, there are our sheets. Oh, there's the solutions on the back. So there is one. That's cute. Neon vibes. Oh, that one. Oh, here's another neon vibes. I actually have this doll. What's this one? Oh, pool party. Oh, look at these. Like hashtag let's be friends. Electric dreams. Outrageous, and another neon vibes. This is so, so cute. $1.25, and it has all of the solutions on the back. So let's go ahead and do this one, and let's see how we do finding the 10 differences. So the first thing I see, or is there 10 differences? No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 differences. So right away, I see the pink hair, because it's not over here. Let's see, what else is there? Oh, her belt. Look at that. Her belt is white over there. So now we got 1 and 2. We're still looking for 3 more differences. Do you guys see any that I'm missing? The palm tree right there. Over here, it's pink. So let's check that off. What else? Let me see. Let me know in the comments if you see that I'm missing anything. Oh, the boots. Here, her boots are pink, and over here they are white. Let's check that off. We have one more. Let's see. The straw and the drinks and the bubbles. What am I missing? I'm missing one. Do you guys see it? Oh, right here. Look at that. The stars over here are yellow and the stars over here are white. So let's check that off. We got all 5. Now we'll flip it over and let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got them all. That was so, so fun. And you get a whole bunch of these. Let's go back and take a look at this. I'm really, really loving this. Which puzzle piece do you think would go here? Not this one, because it's already right here. Not this one, because it's here. It would have to be this one. So we would cut this one out and glue it there. Let's try the maze. It says, treasure got lost on the way to the beach. Help her find the path. So which way should we go? Let's go this way. Can't go here. We're going to get lost. So we're going to have to go this way. Up and over. No. Let's go down. Okay, now we're here. Should we go this way? Let's go this way. Oh, that's going to lead to a dead end. Go this way. That's a dead end. Go down. Let's go straight over. Okay, can we do this? This way, down, this way. Here, we made it. That was so much fun. Let's do the puzzle too. This is great. Let's go ahead and we'll cut this out and see which puzzle piece. And this is really cool because you can cut out all 4 puzzle pieces. Let's cut it. And let's cut it. I think it's this one because of the legs. Let's see. Let's cut. And we'll just trim it up a bit. There we go. Okay. Oh, let's get rid of that. So now, does it go? There it is. Oh, that is so much fun. This is a really, really cool kit for $1.25. This is a Dollar Tree win. Let's do some glue and glue it down. Here we go. And there, we've completed the picture. And the really cool thing is this is the one we just did spot the difference on. Let's move that glue around and get it really stuck down. That's awesome. Maybe we should try the word find. Let's see. Let's move over here. Look at the words. Outrageous, glow on, electric, dreams, neon, vibes, party, treasure, adorb, surprise, friends, pool, treasure, Captain BB, and Pop Heart. Do we see anything? I think I see. Let's see. Again, let me know in the comments if you see anything that I am missing. Right here is the word surprise. And there is surprise. This would actually be a lot of fun in the car or rainy day, something to do at home. Let's see. Outrageous. Outrageous is right here on the top. And then we will cross that out. This is a lot of fun. We also have unscramble the words. Let's see. Oh, they don't give you the answers here. Over here it says solutions found on our website. Let's try to do this. Let's do the first one. I think this says let's be friends. Let's try it out. L-E-T-S. Those are the first ones. B-E, because what else would an E and a B be? And then friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. I wrote too big. Let's be friends. This is a really awesome little kit, guys. Tell me what you think. Look at all the rest of these that we can do. This is so much fun. What a great activity. And only $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. Tell me if you have gotten this kit, if you would want this kit, and what you would do with it. That's all for today, guys. I'll see you next time.